In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy boards to your other Monday.com account. This can be incredibly useful if you're managing multiple projects or teams across different accounts and want to keep everything synchronized and organized. So let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly copy boards from one account to another, assuming you're an admin with the same email registered on both accounts. First and foremost, to get started, you'll want to gather all the boards you wish to transfer and place them into a designated folder within your current workspace. This is a crucial step because when we move to the copying process, having everything neatly organized in a folder will simplify the transition. This folder acts like a container, making it easier to select what you need later on. With your boards safely tucked away in a folder, let's turn our attention to your profile settings. Head over to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find your profile picture or initials. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu, choose Administration. This section provides access to the more advanced settings within your Monday.com account. Inside the administration panel, look to the left-hand side where you'll find a list of options. You'll need to locate and select Cross Account Copier. Once you've clicked on this, you will see a list of all the folders you've organized in your current account workspace. Navigate through this list and select the folder that contains the boards you wish to duplicate to the other account. Now, let's move on to the next critical piece of the puzzle. Obtaining the URL of the destination account where you want to transfer these boards. To find this, click on the General section, also located on the left panel. Within this section, select Profile. Here, you'll see your account URL clearly displayed. Carefully copy this URL because you'll need it for the transfer. Once you have the URL of your destination account ready, head back to the Cross Account Copier. Here, you will find a field where you can paste the previously copied URL. This action effectively links the two accounts, allowing you to transfer data seamlessly. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. Your boards are now set to be copied over to your other Monday.com account, making it possible for you to continue your work across multiple accounts without missing a beat. This process not only enhances productivity, but also maintains the integrity of your project management workflows. I hope you find this guide straightforward and helpful for your organizational needs. Feel free to return to this video anytime you need a refresher on seamlessly transferring boards across your Monday.com accounts.